Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on ROG Phone 9 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click agree and continue. Now you have to close this ad and click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start VPN and click OK. And then you can close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.